You just got a new CERTUM or CERTUM Lux. Now what do? The reason it doesn't come set up is because we want you to set it up perfect for you. If we put the clips on it, the clips have all sorts of adjustment and you can never find the right adjustment spot if the clips come set up on it from the factory. So you get your new holster, what comes with it and what do you need to set it up? So what's gonna come with it is the holster. You're gonna get a pack with the clips in it. You're gonna get another pack with some camming bars. Then you're gonna get this super cool pink card that says no safe queens allowed. And right on here it says Tenicor holsters are uniquely formed to closely match the contours of the gun. It will cause wear to the finish of your gun. If you don't like that, you should send it back. In addition to the stuff that the holster comes with, you're gonna need some sort of a screwdriver. A Phillips screwdriver works great. And then you're gonna need a pencil. Take the holster, put the gun in there, and then find the most comfortable spot. So you're gonna wanna walk around the house, sit down, tie your shoes, find a spot where you can still grip the gun, but it's nice and tight. From there, you're gonna want to draw a line across the top. You're also gonna wanna mark your pant loops. If you're a hip carry person, you're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna tuck it in here on the hip. So you're gonna tuck this in here, find a spot that is nice and concealable, that is low profile, you have a good grip on the holster. Once you've found that spot, take your pencil and trace it along the top there. And now you've found the spot where you're gonna wanna line your clips up. This works for both the regular CERTUM 4. It's also gonna work for the CERTUM Lux, whether it is the compact light version or the full size light version. You're gonna wanna then move to the camming bar setup. So for me, I'm gonna start with a small camming bar. I'm gonna take my double post. I'm gonna place my double post inside. I'm gonna take my small camming bar, place it on there, and I'm gonna take one of the screws and install one of the screws. For me, I'm primarily setting this up for appendix carry. If you're a hip carry person, you're probably not gonna wanna use one of the camming bars. If you do, maybe the small camming bar. I'm gonna have my pencil mark there. I'm gonna line this up with the top of the camming bar. I'm gonna place the gun back into the holster and I'm gonna confirm my spot. I'm gonna confirm, do I like the grip of the gun? Do I like the consistency? Is it comfortable? Do I need to rotate forward or back? Do I need to move up or down? I'm gonna squat down, sit down. I'm gonna try all sorts of different things and confirm that this is the spot that I want. And then I'm going to draw my line across the waistband and again, mark my pant loop. And I can do the same thing for hip carry if I need to. And then from there, I know where my spot is for my clips. But let's transition over to the CERTUM Lux. So for the compact lights, the camming bars are gonna be set up in line with the retention spacers. So I'm gonna have to remove these screws here. I then have 3 camming bars, and then I also have 2 longer flathead screws. I'm gonna take one of my camming bars and place it on top. And then I'm gonna take my flathead screw, engage that there, my other flathead screw, and engage that there. And then I'm gonna adjust the tension on the holster to make sure I have the right fit. On the larger duty lights, the retention is not in line with the camming bar. There is only one position. Take your double post, place it in there, put your camming bar on top, and then screw that down, and then play with your carry location. Once you've confirmed all of your pencil lines and your camming bars, now you're ready to move on to your clip setup. Basically the same for the CERTUM 4 and also the CERTUM Lux for compact lights and the CERTUM Lux for full-size lights. Your clip kit is gonna come with 2 discrete carry concepts MOD4 clips, which are gonna be the adjustable MOD4, and then it's gonna have a little hardware packet. It's gonna have 2 low-profile double posts and then 4 screws. The screws are gonna come with the red thread patch, which is gonna make sure that the screws don't back out. So I'm gonna take the top of my clip and I'm gonna line it up so it's just above the pencil line. And then I'm gonna look here and see which set of slots is this gonna line up with. So I'm gonna take a double post backer, place it in there, lined up with the bottom slot and the middle slot, place my clip on top, place my screw in there, screw that down. I don't wanna tighten it down because I need to adjust the position a little bit. Then once I have them both in there, I'm gonna check to see, do I have any cant here? And I'm just gonna line that up and hold it in place with the pencil mark and then screw that down. So now that's in place. And I like the sight channel. So I'm gonna take this, confirm the location, and take my double post, hold it in there, clip goes on, tighten these screws down. And now I should be set up and ready to go. So I can place this in my belt line and test that and set that up. And it is set up pretty well for me to have a good positive grip in a comfortable position. So next, let's set this up for hip carry. So I already have a line on there. I'm not going to use a camming bar. What I want to do is place my clips on there such they're in line with that hip carry line. And you have a fair amount of rotation here. So again, the back one is going to be, looks like it's going to be on the bottom setting. For hip carry, it's probably going to work better for you to put them next to each other, so you're not going to have as wide of a position. It might work better for me to put the middle clip or the front clip on the top setting. If I put the gun in here, rather than it sitting straight up and down, if I rotate it so the clips are sitting straight up and down, I have a slight cant there. So if I go to put this in my waistband, place this in here, pull up on the clips, slide that down, and now I have this all set up for hip carry.